Hello! Today, we take you inside a chocolate factory. See how cocoa beans become luxury chocolate.
Keep it moving, watch the dust back there. We need these crates loaded quickly.
All right.
Pull into bay 3. Keep it coming, easy now.
Watch the intake on the left.
Okay, pulling the lever now, it's clear.
Moisture content is stable at 12%. Noted.
The color grading looks consistent as well.
Looks like the synchronization is holding steady.
All right, let's maintain this speed. Levels are spiking on line 2.
I see it. Adjusting the chlorine feed now.
A little faster on this one.
Okay, increasing the flow now. How are the levels looking down there?
Perfect, right on target.
Check the synchronization levels on the main drum.
Reading steady at 98%. All systems green.
Stabilization sequence initiated.
Levels are optimal. We are clear for roasting.
Heat sensors are stable. We have confirmation on the adjustment. Reading confirmed.
They are almost there. Look at the color development.
Yes, the second crack is just starting.
Flow looks good. Yeah, steady now.
The flow rate looks perfect.
Yes, the viscosity is right on target.
We adjusted the flow rate here to ensure the molds are filling evenly.
Okay, keep monitoring the levels closely.
I think we should increase the vibration slightly there.
Agreed.
The consistency looks perfect now.
We have a spike here at station 4.
Noted.
Increase the heat slightly on the sealer.
Okay, monitoring the next run. The seals look good now.
All right, easy back. Watch your clearance on the left.
Okay, I'm clear. Taking the next bay.
This looks absolutely exquisite. I'll take this one.
Did you like the video? Comment what you want to see next. Subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, like the video.